I am Gilbert Moyano from CHS Department presenting the assembly and disassembly of computer. Now this is the unit that I assembly and disassembly. Now I turn off this computer. And unplug. Oh. Plug ko po kanina.
Sige, diretso lang.
Demonstrate how to disassemble it properly. Then first, things that you remove. You remove is the system case and the remove. That's first things that you remove is the system case. And before touching any computer, you must use anti-static wrist strap in the absence of anti-static. This strap you must ground yourself to the system to discharge your static electricity. The power connector to CD-ROM, hard disk, and floppy disk. The power supply.
Hawakan mo, babag. Big bike.
Remove the power supply.
And 24 pin 88.
And 24 pin
88 pa naman, di ba?
88 power supply. To hard disk and floppy disk from CD-ROM. Hard disk. Remove the hard disk. Remove the CD-ROM.
Suburin mo na pare ko. Ayan.
Second CD-ROM. Pan. Processing. Processor. And CMOS battery.
Doy, baka makita yung mukha mo.
And memory. Turn back all the components that I removed. CMOS battery. Then processor. Hindi. Sobra. NSYNC.
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 Minix NSYNC. May grupo yun, NSYNC.
Is the pan. Then memory.
Anong pangalan mo sa nakatira? Oh.
Kagaling.
Nakagaling. Ikaw, kasi lang galing sa tatay mo.
The CD-ROM. The screw.
Harapan sa mall.
And add another CD-ROM. And hard disk.
Baliktad na.
Kapin mo sa isko, kita yan.
Floppy cable. Floppy disk to motherboard. Then CD-ROM.
Nakikita.
Then
Basta makapagpasok.
then power supply. To motherboard. The CD-ROM. And hard disk.
Dalawang kamay.
Then floppy disk. I already back all the components that I removed. Then the system case.
Kunwari may sinasaksa ka dito. Tapos dinit. Saksak mo muna yun.
Ulitin mo ulit.
Sabi mo. Then, sabi mo. Now, I try to remove to guys. Nagaya tuloy ako.
Now,
I try to boot the system unit. Ano sabi mo?
Ano? And now.
And now,
Napakarami kasi
teka
nagtuturo
muna
eh.
kasi. And now,
Nagsasalita pa kasi.
Eh, paano kasi nagsasalita ka pa? Hindi ko maintindihan yan.
tagal pare.
Kakas mo lang nagsasalita. And now.
I try to boot
And try to boot.
this system unit.
This is the system unit.
This system. Yeah, sabi mo ulit.
And try to move. The system unit.
Boot pare.
And try.
Sulat mo ulit. Na yan, ako po. Gusto mo pare, isa-isahin ba? Nagkaroon ng dahilan, kaya pala gusto uminom. Kaya pala gusto uminom. Nagkaroon ng dahilan?
Nagagalit ko. Utang na kasi napakarami na sila nagtuturo. Kasi nagtuturo. Kaya mo na si Darwin. Nagagalit pang ganun.
Try to boot your face. Your ass. Ibilis-bilis tumagay ka din daw. Ayaw ba?
Kaya pa. Kaya mo nga muna. After this, I try to boot this system unit.
Tapos, kakastak mo na. Tapos, kunwari, may sinakastak ka dito sa kabine. Ha? Sige.
Malapit na.
Try to boot this system unit.
Okay.
It's already working.
That's all. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you.